Hello, how to solve for s in this equation 5 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 square root of 10 to the power of x, where x is a member of real number. Solution. We have 5 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of s is equal to 2 square root of 10 to the power of x. Now, this follow this rule that if s is greater than 0, the left hand side will be positive and the right hand side will be positive. Then the whole of this is accepted. Also, we have 5 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of s is equal to 2 square root of 10 to the power of x. Then if s is less than 0, this will be negative and this is positive. So the whole of this is rejected. Therefore, we have 5 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of s is equal to, this can be written as 2 square root of 5 multiplied by 2 to the power of x. Take note of this, that if you have a multiplied by b to the power of s is equal to a to the power of s multiplied by b to the power of x. So this can be written as 5 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of s is equal to 2 square root of 5 to the power of s multiplied by 2 to the power of x. Then from here, let 5 to the power of s is equal to a, and then 2 to the power of s is equal to b. This can be written as a minus b is equal to 2 square root of ab. Now let's square both sides of this equation. We have a minus b all square is equal to 2 square root of ab all square. Then this can be written as a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to, this is 2 square multiplied by square root of ab all square. Then here we have a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to, this is 4 multiplied by, this we cancel this, we have ab. Then here we have a square plus b square is equal to, this is 4ab. If you take this 2ab to the other side, become plus 2ab. Then at this point we have a square plus b square is equal to 4ab plus 2ab. This is 6ab. Now let's divide all through by ab. So this is a square divided by ab plus b square divided by ab is equal to 6ab divided by ab. Then here, this will cancel this. So we have a multiplied by a divided by ab plus b multiplied by b divided by ab is equal to 6. This will cancel this, and this will cancel this. Then we are left with a divided by b plus b divided by a is equal to 6. Now, let a over b is equal to y, and then b over a is equal to 1 over y. So this can be written as y plus 1 over y is equal to 6. Let's multiply all through by y. Then we have y squared plus 1 is equal to 6y. And here we have y squared minus 6y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. Then we have y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 1. Then here we have y is equal to minus bracket minus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by c is 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Then y is equal to minus times minus is this is 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 squared, this is 36 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1, that is 4, then divided by 2. Y is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 4, that is 32 over 2. Then y is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 32 can be written as 16 multiplied by 2 over 2. So y is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 16, that is 4. Then we have root 2 over 2. Then here y is equal to 2 is common. We have 2 bracket 3 plus or minus 2 root 2 over 2. This will cancel this. Y is equal to 3 plus or minus 2 root 2. Then there are two cases here. Y is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, or y is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2. But a over b is equal to y, and we know that a is equal to 5 to the power of x, b equal to 2 to the power of x. So this can be written as 5 to the power of s divided by 2 to the power of s is equal to 3 plus 2 square root of 2, and here we have 5 to the power of s divided by 2 to the power of s is equal to 3 minus 2 square root of 2. Take note of this, that if you have a to the power of n divided by b to the power of n, this is equal to a over b to the power of n. So this can be written as 5 divided by 2 to the power of x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, and here we have 5 divided by 2 to the power of x is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2. Then here we have 5 divided by 2 to the power of s is equal to, this can be written as 3 is square root of 2 square plus 1 plus this 2 root 2 can be written as 2 multiplied by root 2 multiplied by 1. And this is 5 divided by 2 to the power of s is equal to, the whole of this is square root of 2 plus 1 all square. And also from here, 5 divided by 2 to the power of s is equal to, the whole of this is square root of 2 minus 1 all square. Now let's take the log of both sides here. That is, from here we know that if you have a plus b square, this is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Let's take the log of both sides here. We have log 5 divided by 2 to the power of s is equal to log square root of 2 plus 1 all square. Now if you have log p to the power of m, this is equal to m log p. This can be written as s log 5 divided by 2 is equal to, this is 2 log square root of 2 plus 1. Then let's divide all through by log 5 divided by 2. This is divided by log 5 over 2. And this is divided by log 5 over 2. This will cancel this. S is equal to 2 log square root of 2 plus 1 divided by log 5 over 2. Now also from here, if you take the log of both sides, we have log 5 divided by 2 to the power of s is equal to log square root of 2 minus 1 all square. This is s log 5 over 2 is equal to 2 log square root of 2 minus 1. Then here, s is equal to 2 log square root of 2 minus 1 divided by log 5 over 2. And this is less than 0, so therefore it is rejected. The only true solution we have is this, because this is greater than 0. Therefore, take note of this, that if you have log A divided by log B, this is equal to log A base B. Then this can be written as S is equal to 2 log square root of 2 plus 1 base 5/2. And this is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.